So in this regard, I request Surendra Reddy Garu to take the honor of the dais. Now I call upon Surendra Reddy Garu to speak few words regarding the today program.
Good morning of all you. బహుశా భారతదేశ చరిత్రలో ఇలాంటి ఒక అత్యంత పాజిటివ్ సెగ్మెంట్ కాలంలో నడుస్తున్న ఊహించినటువంటి సందర్భంలో మనం ఉన్నాం. అలాంటి సందర్భంలో మనం 77వ స్వాతంత్ర రిపబ్లిక్ డే జరుపుకోబోతున్నాం. ఈ సందర్భంగా మన వ్యవస్థకి ఎన్నో సేవలు అందించి అత్యంత గౌరవప్రదంగా ఆరోగ్య పరిస్థితుల్లో ఐశ్వర్యాలతోటి రిటైర్గా ఉంటున్నటువంటి మన సార్లకి వీడ్కోలు పలుకుతూ అఫీషియల్గా రిపబ్లిక్ ఈరోజు తర్వాత అనంతరం వాళ్ళది సెలవులో ఉంటుందా ఏదో తెలియదు, కానీ అఫీషియల్గా వీడ్కోలు పలుకుతూ వారి యొక్క స్పందనని తెలపాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. మొట్టమొదటిగా బాయ్స్ కాలేజ్ నుంచి మ్యాథ్స్ లెక్చరర్గా 32 సంవత్సరాల 9 నెలలు పనిచేసి చాలా అకులిత దీక్షతో పనిచేసి మ్యాథ్స్ లెక్చరర్గా పనిచేసి ఈ మే 31 నాడు రిటైర్ కాబోతున్నటువంటి తెహరా మేడం గారు మరియు మీ ముందున్నటువంటి సైదుల్ సార్ అత్యంత సుపరిచితుడు, తర్వాత నిర్మలా మేడం గారు, ఈ ముగ్గురిని స్పందించవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. మొదలు తెహరా మేడం గారు.
Good morning to one and all. Today we are celebrating 77th Republic Day. On this occasion, I would like to say a few words to you. Irrespective of caste, creed, color, community, we are celebrating these two national festivals with great honor. See, actually, these two festivals are very much interrelated to our intermediate education, isn't it? Because August 15, that is our classes seriously starts from August 15, and by the end of January, we complete the pre-final exams. But this time, we break the record. Before Republic Day only, we completed pre-final exams and English lab exams and environmental education also. So this is a great track record in these 77 years. So this credit goes to our Commissioner sir also. Our Commissioner sir is very much serious about our results. So that's why he introduced FRSR and CC cameras to bring the good result. So my dear students, actually I wanted to give the speech for students, but here very few students, 1 or 2 students are there. So, but sir requested to please tell few words, so that's why I would like to say. So now, my dear students, first of all I would like to congratulate our college toppers, Sai Surya and Sharmas Khan. Not only Sai Surya, Sharmas Khan, 20 persons got highest marks in intermediate. So I would like to congratulate how they got, because of their dedication and hard work only. So like that, other students also take them as inspiration and bring the good result. Now what is freedom? Do you know? Actually no need to explain, because at the time of Corona we are all experiencing hardly 6 months we are unable to sit at the home. So can you guess, can you imagine how our freedom fighters struggle at that time? So many crores of people sacrificed their lives for bringing the freedom from Britishers. Not only Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Lal Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, so many people struggle for the freedom. So now as a student, what we have to do? Gender to gender, that is August 15th to 15th to Independence Day to Republic Day. Gender to gender, 100% result is our agenda. So Give the respect to our national flag and national anthem. Give respect to our mother and motherland. So my dear students, so many students they don't know why they opt the groups MPC, BPC, CEC like that. They are taking, some are taking willingly or some are taking forcibly because they want this college itself. So that's why they are taking. Whatever group you are taking, it is nothing but you have to do the hard work. Whether you have taken MPC or BPC, CEC, it is not so easy to get the pass marks. So what you have to do? You have to work hard. Dedication, determination and discipline will bring the distinction. So four these are very important. So you have to be punctual and sincere. Now my dear students, I would like to say at the time of 75th Independence Day, that is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, so many in our state government, in so many theatres, nearly 563 theatres, screening Mahatma Gandhi movie for college and school students freely. At that time only, our RRR movie released. So I asked one of our students, what is the difference between RRR movie and Mahatma Gandhi? Then one of my students replied that, I didn't understand Mahatma Gandhi movie, but RRR movie is nothing but Malli Kosam Lolli Madam. Unnecessarily, Rajamani wasted that time. Nothing but, actually Malli is happy there, but he is wasted our time. So that is his perception. That means if you are reading or writing or listening or seeing Ramayana, Mahabharata, whatever it may be, your perception, that means Mahabharata, what is main characters. So he fixed that this is the Ek Darsa, this is his aim. Like this in Ramayana also, Rama, we are taking as Rama as God. Some are Rama is human being. So like that is our perception. So I would like to say one sentence that an atheist said that God is nowhere, but I said as a theist, because the believer of God, I say that, read the sentence once again, God is nowhere. I say that God is now here. So, like this, we have to develop a positive attitude in all items. So, my dear students, so how to bring the good result? We have to work hard. Now, RRR. What is RRR? Ranam, Raudram, Rudram. Rise, roar, revolt. Okay, reasonable revolt. And but one more RR is there. Anybody can say RR is nothing but slogan of the environment. Reduce, reuse, recycle. What you have to reduce? Reduce the waste, how much you produce. Reuse the items before replacing them. And recycle. How to recycle? First of all, you use it and then again without throwing before again use it. So recycling, one joke is also there. One man purchased a cycle and he is going on running the cycle, but after a few days he thinks that he buy a moped. Okay, moped is very comfortable to me, but see our Hyderabad roads, how it looks. Hyderabad roads are so many potholes are there. He got back pain. Then he thinks that no, I have to buy a car. Then he buy the car, and after few months, nearly 6 months itself, he becomes stout and fat. Then what? How to reduce the fat? Then again he purchased the cycle and he is running the cycle. That means, so recycling means you have to be use the items. Don't throw. So cycle is not enough, moped is not enough, car is not enough. So that is nothing but recycling is very important. Don't throw the waste. Okay. Now, my dear students, in our college, so many new faculty joined and excellent faculty members are there. But this year, unfortunately, up to August, heavy rains are there. So that's why our classes running is like a snake. But even though in that situation also, our students attended the classes in heavy rains also. Our lecturers also very dedicated lecturers. They also taken the classes. So now, my dear students, what a duty of your student life. We have to work hard and get up early from bed in the morning. No need to study for throughout 24 hours. Actually, 6 subjects are there. You divide for 3 hours for optionals and 3 hours for languages, Telugu, Hindi, English like that. So that means morning 3 hours and evening 3 hours is enough for you. So in front of the books, no need to sit 24 hours. Okay. Now, my dear students, as a what is the duty of your student life? So many students they didn't put the concentration. They are attending the classes, but their mind is roaming towards the phones, mobiles, or whatever it may be. They don't utilize the lecturer's teaching. So I would like to say that there are good students, but unfortunately or fortunately, our media, social media, and WhatsApp, you can use it for positive. So if you are unable to get one problem, then you go for WhatsApp and see the YouTube video, then you get full marks. But not like that. Our students are enjoying. They want to enjoy itself. So now, my dear students, about according to Abdul Kalam, Aul Pakki Jail Abdul Kalam, former president of India, he said that dream, dream, dream. Dreams transforms into action. Dreams transforms into thoughts. Thoughts results into action. So many students are dream, but they don't work hard. Dreams are not what is in the sleep. Dreams are the thing which doesn't let you sleep. So according to Vivekananda, what he said, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. So you have to get up early from bed in the morning and do the hard work. Some people are dreaming for success, but they don't do the hard work. Okay, so not like that. Now, do you know the butterfly effect? What is butterfly? All are like it. Everyone likes it and enjoy it. But do you know the caterpillar? Nobody likes it because all are hate the caterpillar. What is the status of the butterfly? We are all known about in school level, 9th or 10th science subject. First stage is egg, second stage is larva, third stage is chrysalis, pupa, fourth stage is adult butterfly. So like this, in our intermediate also, 4 stages are there. Is it possible for 1 day or 2 days not? It will take for 2 to 4 weeks. Like this, in our intermediate levels also, 4 stages are there. Quarterly, half-yearly, pre-final, final exams. So to want to become a handsome boy of this Nampally college, you have to work hard to become like a butterfly. So now, my dear students, I would like to say one poem. Acharya Padmadatte Padam Sishya Sumedaya. Acharya Padmadatte Padam Sishya Sumedaya. Padam Sabadma Chaitya Padam Kalakramena. What does it mean? Acharya Padmadatte. 1/4 of knowledge we are gaining from teachers. Acharya Padmadatte Padam Sishya Sumedaya. What is Padam Sishya Sumedaya? 1/4 of knowledge we are gaining from co-students. And Padam Sabrahmacharya, Padam Kalakramena. And 1/4 of knowledge from teachers, 1/4 of knowledge from his own, and 1/4 of knowledge from co-students, and 1/4 of knowledge from throughout the life experience. So, Acharya, our first place is given to Acharyas. Acharyas means teacher, Guru. So, like that, we have to give the respect to our teachers. Now, one more poem I would like to say. Sorry, I am taking much time. बुद्धि में नहीं सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे नहीं सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा. This is Kartruhai slogan. बुद्धि में नहीं सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे नहीं सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा. What does it mean? See, lion is very much king of the jungle forest, but she is a fresh land. She is a rare land. She is a rich land. She is a fair land. She is a fresh land. She is a rare land. She is a land so dear. She is a land so fine. She is a land so bold. This native land of mine. So I feel that I am very proud to join in your group, and I think that you are all my family members. If I did any mistake or anything I say, please forgive me. This is my last Republic Day in my service level. So, thank you once again. Please giving me this opportunity, listening my speech. Thank you one and all. Jai Telangana, Jai Hind.
Anyway, మీ నుంచి ఈ శ్లోకాలు వినడం అనేది ఆశ్చర్యం కొంచెం మ్యాథ్స్ వాళ్ళు జనరల్గా సార్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ అనుకోండి. ఎనీవే సైడ్ సార్ మిమ్మల్ని పెట్టు అందరికీ
అందరికీ నమస్తే. రిపబ్లిక్ డే శుభాకాంక్షలు అందరికీ, తోటి విద్యార్థులకు కూడా, తోటి అధ్యాపకులకి అందరికీ కూడా. నా సర్వీసు 35 years అయిపోయింది అని అంటేనే ఆశ్చర్యంగా ఉంటుంది. రిటైర్మెంట్ స్టేజ్కి వచ్చామన్న ఇది కూడా లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఫుల్ఫిల్ మై లైఫ్. అందరూ కూడా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరు కనిపించిన సెక్రటేరియట్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఫారిన్ కంట్రీస్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు, పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు, ట్రాఫిక్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు, కోర్ట్స్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. వీళ్ళందరినీ చూస్తూ ఉంటే చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంటుంది. అంత సర్వీస్లో ఎంతమంది ఇంత అభివృద్ధిలోకి వచ్చారు అని అంటేనే చాలా సంతోషంగా కూడా ఉంటుంది. మా మదర్ కూడా 48 yearsలోనే చనిపోయారు. ఆవిడ కూడా అడ్మిషన్స్ కిందే చేశారు. నాలాగా టీచర్ అవ్వండి అనేవాళ్ళు. నేను అయినందుకు నేను సంతోషపడుతున్నాను. అనుకోకుండానే అయ్యాను. నేను బైపీసీ తీసుకుని డాక్టర్ వాళ్ళని ఇలా లెక్చరర్ కింద సెట్ అయ్యాను. నేను హైదరాబాద్ వస్తానని కూడా అనుకోలేదు. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉందండి. నేను రిటైర్ అవుతున్నానంటేనే నమ్మశక్తిగా కూడా లేదు. నేను నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ తోటి కానీ, నా కొలీగ్స్ తోటి కానీ, కాలేజీలో వర్క్ చేసిన 20 ఏళ్లలో నేను చాలా అనుభూతి చెందాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.